HQ8 replacement heads for Philips Norelco shavers, OEM HQ8 heads new upgraded. OEM HQ8 replacement heads for Philips Norelco shavers, new upgraded. Upgraded precision cutting system, super lifts and cuts for a comfortable close shave. A package of 3 replacement heads, 3 blades and 3 inserted heads included. Replace HQ8 heads every 12 months for best shaving performance. Made in Netherlands. 1. Open the shaver by pressing the release button. 2. Remove the retaining rings by turning them counterclockwise. 3. Take out the old shaving heads and carefully insert new HQ8 replacements. Check that the heads align exactly in the setting. 4. Replace the retaining rings and secure them by turning the lock clockwise. 5. Click into place properly. Run your shaver several minutes before shaving. Top reviews from the United States. Fit perfectly and improved shave. Tried buying off-brand replacements for Norelco shaver a couple of years ago and was hugely disappointed. Blades were not a good fit and pulled painfully. Bought a new Norelco razor instead. Since these are made by Norelco and are reasonably priced, I thought I would try them. Worked like the razor was new. Very satisfied.